You know when you need something and you don't know you need it until it's in front of you. This was the situation that happened to me with this bag. When the Vine program suggested me this bag, I told myself I don't need it, and what would I use it for? I already have beach suitcase. The problem is the one I have is like a box. It is hard and heavier. I can even sit on top of it. It won't break. That is great. But this one is different. This one is much lighter. It is a backpack, easy to transport, hand-free, perfect for long distance, and ideal for small family. For instance, the weather has been so hot recently, I started wondering, what if I took this bag with me to work, full with ice? Well, my friend, I did it and I enjoyed it. This picnic backpack did great. All the liquid stayed inside, except when the bag is sideways. I mean, even when the bag is closed, it should always be standing straight up, otherwise everything will get wet. I was out for about 6 to 7 hours and I still had a lot of ice. Note, I never left the bag directly exposed to the sun. I left it in the shadow or in the car. My drinks were ice cold.